Hello viewers, today I am telling you about the Nokia 5.2. Before watching a video, please press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest update. The Nokia 5.2 supports a 6.1-inch HD+IPS LCD. The smartphone has a 13 MP plus 5 MP dual camera at the rear camera and 8 MP camera at the front. Camera on either side can record full HD video. Powering the smartphone in the Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 SoC. The device has 2 GB RAM and 16 GB storage capacity. The Nokia 5.2 packs a 3000 mAh battery and supports 10W charging. Display. The Nokia 5.2 has 6.1-inch IPS LCD with HD+ resolution, while a Nokia 5.1 had thick bezel around the display. The Nokia 5.2 has a nearly bezel-less design. The display has a tiny notch at the top, and at the top the houses the front-facing camera. The Nokia 5.2 has two rear cameras, a 13 MP primary shutter and 5 MP depth sensor. The primary camera has a face detection autofocus and it can record full HD video. The front camera is an 8 MP unit with a fixed focus. The front-facing camera can record full HD video as well. Processor, RAM, storage, and software. The Nokia 5.2 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 chipset. This SoC has an octa-core Cortex-A53 based CPU and Adreno 506 CPU. The smartphone has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage capacity. There is also a 3 GB RAM plus 32 GB storage capacity variant on offer. And if the storage is not enough for you, there is a dedicated micro SD card slot. The Nokia 5.2 comes with the Android 9 Pie operating system that has a stock Android UI, and like most Nokia smartphones, the Nokia 5.2 is also an Android on a support phone. Battery, connectivity, and other features of Nokia 5.2. The Nokia 5.2 packs a 3000 mAh battery and supports 10W charging. The smartphone has dual SIM with dual VoLTE Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2 GPS, micro USB support. The smartphone has dual SIM with dual VoLTE Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2 GPS, micro USB port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The device also comes with the rear mounted fingerprint sensor. The specification of Nokia 5.2: processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 630, display 5.9-inch, storage 16 GB, rear camera dual 6 MP plus 5 MP, battery 3300 mAh, RAM 2 GB.